Jen here with Gather and Graze, and I'm making you an expert at Graze platters. Okay, the great tip and pairing that I have for this week is one of my favorite cheeses. This is called the Saint Andre. It's a triple cream. It's soft ripened. You want to let it get to room temperature for about 30 minutes before you serve it. Then it's going to become a lot butterier and creamier for your guests. So this cheese here was, on average, it's about $5 to $6 per wedge. This is almost half a pound. Okay, so I'm just gonna unwrap it. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's like super gooey and delicious. I'm gonna pull off the wrapper and dispose of that. And then this little tab, it's like a little leaf. You can pull that off as well. So I'm just gonna prop this on its side, just like so, on the corner of my platter. And I always tell my students that you want to place this as if it's performing for an audience. So we wouldn't want to give the rind to our audience. We want to present your faces to the audience, okay? So we're gonna decorate this now with a pairing. Lemon curd with the Saint Andre will blow your mind. It is so delicious. Something about the buttery fat mixed with the sweet and tangy lemon curd is a really good combo. So I'm just gonna take a little scoop like so, and I like to drag it from the top angle and then work my way down to creating like a diagonal here. I don't like to spread the whole cheese with lemon curd because there may be somebody that doesn't like lemon curd in your group. Also, you want them to see the color of the cheese too, to create some depth and layering and dimension. Okay, so just layer that up there, and you can do a little spatula. I always use a spoon. Looks something like that. Okay. And I just took this out of the fridge, I'd say about 15 minutes ago. So before I serve it, I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes so that it does get nice and gooey. And take my blackberries and I'm gonna start to pile them around the lemon curd. Again, these three together taste really delicious. If you also want to include, you can add blueberries, and the colors of the, excuse me, I touched my hair. The colors of the blueberry on top of the blackberry make a really pretty accent. Okay. And I'm serving this today with some Valley Lavash mini crackers that they sent me. And my boyfriend is gonna come sample this in just a minute and tell us what he thinks. So this is what it would look like on the corner of your platter, like so. And it's very delicious. And we're gonna have these crackers, they're Valley Lavash, they're the minis. And we're gonna make sure they're all facing the same direction. Pick up a couple here. And I'm just going to delicately place them on the side. So here we have our pairing of the week. Delicious cheese Saint Andre with lemon curd with a side of berries. These three together taste really nice on the Valley Lavash cracker. So I hope you enjoy it and hope you get to use this. Comment below if you do and what you think of the cheese. Thank you.
This lemon curd's bomb, babe.
What about with a blackberry? Try all three together and let me know.
I love it. It's a great combo. Because this is all creamy. And you got like a sweet tang from the lemon curd. And you got a blackberry, so that just says enough, right? This cheese is really good.
Isn't it?
You just need just a little bit of the curd. Like, you don't want to overdo it with the curd. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I need that like specific blackberry.
Why?
Because it's a good size. And it'll look good.
It's a killer combo.